Hello, this is Lee. Hey, thanks for tuning in over the last couple of days where we've looked at what makes doTERRA different and also learning about the oils. And today I want to show you how you can get the oils. There's three ways of getting them. You can get them retail, wholesale, or start with a kit, and that's even further discounts. So retail, I only recommend if you're going to stick your toe in the water, get one or two. But if you can see that where you can use them in your everyday life, then I suggest you start with a wholesale account. And with a doTERRA account, you get 25% off all year long, and that opens the door to the magic. The magic is the loyalty rewards program, where you can save even more money. Through the loyalty rewards program, I get at least $2,500 worth of free stuff of my choice throughout the year. How awesome is that? Then the best way to start is with a kit, and what I'm going to do now is show you the three top kits. Why is a kit the best way to start? Because it's even cheaper than wholesale, a lot more savings. And so let me just change this over. So here we have the Natural Solutions kit, and it has the oils that we've looked at over the last while. So we've looked at lemon, we've had a look at peppermint. We didn't share with you the tea tree or the oregano, but we can do that on the fourth day. And we looked at lavender, we looked at Digest-Zen for all things tummy, we looked at Easy Air for all things respiratory. This one is fabulous for joints, muscles, tendons, nurturing them, and this one keeps the seasonal threats away, and it's also fabulous in our cleaning when we do our DIY cleaning. We also had a look at Lavender Peeps and how it's great for calming us during the day and helping with sleep. We also had a look at Smart and Sassy. That is fabulous when we're looking to keep our weight, manage our weight, but also for those dimply bits, the rubbing it on it topically with when we have cellulite. We also have in here lemongrass, which is great as a cleaner, but it's also fabulous for physical discomforts, and I love it in my diffuser because it's helps to get rid of negative energies. And Aroma Touch is the massage blend, which is just absolutely fabulous, very calming. And Purify is another one I use for getting rid of the toxic energies, but I also use that in my toilet spray and a spray around the house just because it gets rid of yucky odours. Also in this kit is the Ice Blue Rub, which is the rub version of this one. And the toothpaste, this is great for the monthly blend for women. Pretty self-explanatory. Past tense we had a look at for head tension. The On Guard beadlet is the same as this one here. It's the protective blend, but also boosts our immune system. This is also in the toothpaste and also in the foaming hand wash and a few others in the On Guard range. There's also in this kit is the Correct-X, which is a first aid kit in a tube. Just absolutely amazing for as a lip gel, as for cut scrapes, shaving cuts, gravel rash, anything that you use an ointment on. It also comes with a magic box to put your oils into, and the fabulous diffuser and the coconut oil, and its price is $635 for that kit, and it's the greatest savings. You save $221 starting with that, and I mentioned the magic, the loyalty rewards program, it starts you on 15%, but also by shopping next month you get 100 PV free, so that's about $120, $150 worth for free. So what would I shop with for next month? I would definitely add this one in next month, but also some shampoo and some kid conditioner, and maybe the cleaner concentrate that's in the On Guard range. So let's have a quick, then the next one is the Home Essentials kit, and it is these 10 oils here. So the lemon, the peppermint, the oregano and tea tree, frankincense, lavender, the easy air for all things respiratory, for muscles and joints, for protective blend and tummy blend, and it has the diffuser. If you start with this Home Essentials kit, I recommend you also add in the fractionated coconut oil, and let's have a look at that kit. It's the, down here, Home Essentials kit's $330, and that will keep you going for quite a while. There's a savings of $130. The other kit that is popular is a $174 kit, and it's called Family Essentials. It has these same 10 oils in them, but they're in the little 5 ml bottle. So let's have a look at the difference in size there. So 5 ml has 85 drops in it. This has 250. So this kit's $174, and for twice the price, you get 3 times the value, starting with the Home Essentials kit. So let's have a little look at this loyalty rewards program. What's it all about? So it's actually the smartest way to buy. So with regular shopping, you start with this kit here. You're going to start here at the 10%, and with regular shopping work up to you getting another 30%, on top of that 25% back. With this kit here, this big, the Nature's Solutions kit, you're going to start at the 15%. So this means, another good thing that doTERRA does is when we order each month and our order is more than 125 PV, we get a free product every month. And so doing the loyalty rewards program with the monthly, having your order big enough to get that oil every month, that's a savings of, we end up with $837 worth of free stuff, or we did in this last year. But then by adding these points up, between these points here and this one here, I get about $2,500 worth of free stuff each year. So I'll post that information in the group. And please ask questions, but I'll also attach the flyers that you can download and print off yourself and look at your convenience, and that could make it easier. But feel free to ask questions. That's what we're here for. That's what I get paid the big dollars for. And thanks for being in the group over the last couple of days. We've still got more information tomorrow and stories. Some success stories. So yeah, feel free. Any questions, just yell. Thanks, guys.